I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring compatibility. Check the encrypted clone blade ball firmware and key ID so the process won't fail mid-run. Next, load your authorized private key into a secure host environment, or HSM. This allows the device to decrypt the clone payload. Once the blade ball is seated in its cradle and powered to a stable level between half and full, open the cloning interface. You start the handshake immediately to retrieve the encrypted package and trigger authentication, because delays can interrupt key exchange. You now perform the authenticated handshake. Verify the non-C and timestamp to avoid replay attacks, because integrity relies on freshness. Then request the ephemeral session key using your private credentials. Once obtained, decrypt the payload using an authenticated cipher like AESGCM or CHA-CHA 20-poly 1305, so you get confidentiality and integrity together. Make sure you validate the clone checksum and signature after decryption. You record the non-C key. You finish by writing the decrypted image onto the target blade and immediately verifying boot sectors and permissions so the clone boots predictably. Once written, run post-clone integrity tests and then securely erase any temporary keys or memory buffers to avoid leakage. If something goes wrong, the most common causes are key mismatch, clock drift affecting timestamps, or a corrupted payload. In that case, enable verbose logging, compare key ID and timestamps, and rerun the authenticated handshake after correcting the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.